Hi all, this is just a simple demo, show you how you can use simple freeware to upgrade your PowerPoints. For example, take a basic PowerPoint that's from the PD session, and we are using this to enhance this, and particularly this. What you need to do is get online, search up this program, screencast-o-matic.com. This is the one to use. There's a bunch of other options, but from experience this is definitely the best one. You'll see this on the screen. Don't need to sign up, don't really need to download anything, just click this, start using it. Ways you can use this: obviously adding VoiceOver PowerPoints is the simplest, probably most useful day-to-day use. You can insert a bunch of other slides, images, anything else using your Surface Book camera, flip the webcam, front screen, back screen, whatever. There's a lot you can do with this. The reference at the back by Stannard shows a whole bunch of ways you can use this for students. If you want to go into detail of that, lots of examples there. Things that I use this for by students: presentations, Criterion D for MYP, highly recommend this, and we've got some examples here. And at the end, a few references here, do check these out. This is the Stannard video on ways you can use this, lots of detail and specific ideas, but really open this and do it.